Guangdong Aluminum Application Precision Technology Co. Limited is a company which can specially produce all kinds of aluminium products according to customer requirements. The main types of products we can customize are aluminium housing, panel, radiator, nameplate, label and all kinds of high-precision aluminium parts. Our factory has mature experience and our products are exported to overseas markets. The sound control panel has a large number of applications in various types of large and small sound or power amplifier equipment. And the corresponding surface treatment processes are different for different scenarios. For example, wire drawing polishing, anodic oxidation, powder spraying and other processes.